Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a collaborative workspace with Slack easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Slack application or visit the Slack website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, you'll see your workspace dashboard. Click on create a workspace if you need to set up a new one. Follow the steps to name your workspace and customize your URL. After creating your workspace, invite members by entering their email addresses. You can also skip this step and invite people later. Once your team members have joined, click on Channels in the left sidebar. Select Create a Channel to start a new topic-specific space. Choose whether your channel will be public or private. Give your channel a name that clearly defines its purpose. Add a description to guide new members on the channel's objective. Click Create Channel to finalize the setup. Now, encourage team members to introduce themselves in the channel. Use the messaging area to communicate and share files with your team. Incorporate integrations by clicking on Apps in the left sidebar. Search for tools that your team frequently uses, like Google Drive or Trello. Install the desired apps and connect them to enhance productivity. Utilize the Threads feature to keep discussions organized. Respond to messages in threads to avoid cluttering the main channel. Schedule meetings by using the /remind command to notify team members. Use direct messages for private conversations whenever necessary. Explore the search function to find past conversations or files easily. Regularly check the activity feed to stay updated on what's happening in your workspace. Set up notification preferences and preferences to manage alerts efficiently. Encourage the use of emojis and reactions to foster team engagement. Periodically review channels to ensure they remain relevant and organized. Promote a culture of collaboration by having regular check-ins and updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.